everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making a pineapple out of Legos. Here's what you will need. To start off, you're going to take 4 of these pieces and put them into a square shape, like that. If they fall down, that's okay. Then take one of these pieces and put it down the center so that it'll look like that when you attach those two on. And do the same thing for the other side so that it looks like this. Then take 2 of these pieces and put them on the opposite sides like this. Then take 2 more of these and add them on top like that. Next, take another one of these pieces and put it in the center. Then take one of these, put it in the back right here so it'll look like that. Then take your piece with a hole in it and put it right here. If you don't have a piece with a hole in it, you could add a dot onto one of your pieces. Then take 2 of these pieces and 2 of your eyepieces and put them on like that. So you should have 2 of them. And then put them right there, like that. Then take 2 more of these and put them on top so that it looks like this. Then take 4 of these pieces and put them on the top so that it looks round, like this. Now it's time to add the top part of the pineapple. I'm using this piece, but if you don't have that, I'm going to show you how you can make one. To start off, you're going to take one of these pieces and 4 of these pieces. Then take 2 of them and put them like that. And then take 2 and put them on the other side to where they look like that. So it kind of looks like a plus sign. Then take 2 of these pieces and put one facing forward like that and the other one facing this way. Then take 2 of these pieces and put them like this. Then for the final piece, take this piece and put it on the top like that. Then you can attach it onto your pineapple so that it looks like that. It might not be exactly the same, but it'll still look like a pineapple. And now it is done. You can have a cute little pineapple to play with all day. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!